Prem Kumar from Team 15. Hope you like our marketing video. I'm very excited to present our project Edubridge. It's a learning management platform which is designed to solve the problems faced by the schools and the colleges in managing their day-to-day operations. First, we'll start with the problem statement. So, most of the educational institutions face several challenges. Tasks like managing attendance, sending important updates, and tracking assignments are not well organized in the most of the system. So, we'll start with the stage one, Dukh. We focus on understanding these challenges by studying the problems faced by our main stakeholders. So let's start with the first user, Ms. Priya Singh. Priya Singh struggled with the complex administrative task. It's very difficult for her to manage the operations like attendance tracking, staff sleeps, and school's event efficiency. The second user is teacher Rahul Verma. Rahul finds class management tough because he spends too much time doing paperwork and have some face issues during teachings and engaging with the students. The third one is student Ananya Kumari, and she faced challenges needs for a better way to access the learning materials and track her assignments. The fourth user we have is clerk Akriti Kumari, and she struggles with managing communications and tasks because there is no single system for her to use. So understanding these pain points gave us the foundation for designing the better solution. We'll move on to the next stage, and would like to invite the Satish for explaining the stage to Samuday. Move over to you, Satish.
Thank you, Prem. Hi everyone, my name is Satish and I will explain the second stage of the karmic design thinking, that is Samudaya. That means the cause. So the first cause we have identified is the fragmented systems. So school use different tools for different tasks like attendance, leave management and the communications. So these tools have problem that these tools are not connected, that can cause very confusion and slowing down the work. The second problem is there is no centralized system and the platform. There is not a single system that can manage all the works in a single place. So it makes it hard for the users to stay very organized. The third problem is the complexity and the cost of the digital tools. So many teachers and the school staffs working in the school avoid using digital tools because sometimes they find it very hard to use the followings to understand, and sometimes it can be too expensive. And the fourth point is the lack of collaboration tools. There are not enough features to help students and the teachers that can work together effectively, such as tools for discussions or the group works. So by identifying these root causes, we can focus on creating solutions that can address these problems. Over to the next team member for the next stage.
Hello, I am Srishti and I'll be going over the third stage of the karmic design thinking process for this project, Nirodh, where we find solutions for the problems that we identified in the previous stages. Our solution, Edubridge, includes 4 key components: a centralized platform that brings together all essential functions like attendance tracking, assignments, communication, performance monitoring, etc. It eliminates the need for multiple systems. Second, improved communication features which provide clear and instant communication between principals, teachers, students, clerks. For example, students can receive updates on new assignments and teachers can also communicate important announcements very easily. Third is the performance monitoring tools, such as tools to track student progress, class performance, and overall school activities. These can help identify issues early on so that we can take corrective measures. Fourth is a simplified interface, which is user-friendly so that everyone, even people with limited technical knowledge, can use them very easily. Each of these features have been designed to solve challenges that we identified in the earlier stages. Passing on the baton to my team member, Sriram.
Thank you, Srishti. Hi everyone, I am Sriram and I'll be explaining the fourth karmic stage, that is Mark. So in Mark here, we developed an implementation plan for Edubridge. So our implementation has 4 stages, that is prototyping, user-specific features, rigorous testing, and continuous improvement. In prototyping, we tried to create a basic version of the features and tested them with users to gather feedback. In user-specific feature, we customized the feature for each stakeholders, that is for principal, teachers, students, and clerk. In rigorous testing, we tested the system thoroughly to ensure that all the feature works smoothly and meet the need of users. In customer improvement, we collected feedbacks during and after testing to make sure that this improves the system. Can you go to the next slide? So next we have whether our product is justifiable or not. So why Edubridge is a great solution? So Edubridge is a great solution because it has three components. That is, Edubridge is a desirable product, it has a business value, and it is technically feasible to implement this. So it is desirable because it is simple to use and offers personalized tool for all users. It has a business values because it can be scaled for both small school as well as large universities, and technically feasible because it is flexible and has a strong architecture which ensures the smooth performance. So now I would like to call Satish to give you the walkthrough of the prototype.
Thank you, Shiran. Now I will give you the walkthrough of the prototype that we have made. So this is the landing page where we have login and the registration option. So once we register using the credential, we can simply log in into the application. And we have the multiple roles like the teacher, student, clerk, and the principal. So we will go through the teachers first. This is the teacher dashboard, and all the relevant information for the teacher in a summary has been presented in the teacher dashboard, like the classes, pending reviews, and the schedule for the teacher, the total task of the teacher, the weekly workload, and the overall progress has been shown here. The next is the student performance. The teacher can see the performance of the student class-wise and the week-wise. And the third thing is the leave request form. He can just simply give the remarks and can request the leave for the principal. So the next thing is we have a student role. So in the student dashboard, we have attendance rate, pending assignment, total class durations, the grade of particular student, the schedule of the student that he or she will be needed to apply, and the recent activities like completing essays or downloading the student materials and the online quiz has been given. Also, the overall progress has been shown, and also the most important, the calendar has been given for the student dashboard. The next thing is the classes, the number of classes, and the given information, for example, the teacher and the timings for the class has also been shown. The third thing and the most important is the performance of the student. The student can see each and every quiz and the assignments and the overall performance he or she have done in the previous assignments. The third role is the clerk. So this is the clerk dashboard, and attendance, pending leaves, pending task has been shown here. And the today's task and the recent document, for example, staff leave application for Mr. Rahul Balma has been shown. The overall work review has been shown for the clerk also, and the weekly task count has also been shown in order to plan the things effectively. The leave request form for the clerk has also been given, and the leave request form option here is for clerk. The clerk can review and send it to the principal so that the leave can be approved or the rejected. The last role is for the principal, and the most importantly, the total student, total staff, average attendance, and the new messages has been shown for the principal. The teacher staff data, for example, the role of the teacher, the work, the status, and the progress percentage has been shown. Overall progress as a summary has also been shown, and the today's task for the principal has also been shown into the dashboard. The weekly workload once again is most important for everyone who is a working professionals. Weekly load is given for the principal. The next thing is the attendance for the students for various classes in the various weeks has been shown. The student performance class-wise has been given to the principal dashboard as an option. And the last thing is the leave request. The leave request can be seen by the principal, and also the description of the leave request can be seen, and she can whether reject or approve the leave request based on the request here is given. So this was all about the presentation and the prototype walkthrough of our application. We once again thank you for your precious time and giving attention to our project. So once again, thank you so much.